All right, now that you got your branding lined out, and I think you got your imagery figured out, and you know who you are, and you got your tagline and your style and your advertising, and all that is lined and packaged. Now, what do you do with that? Well, what you're going to do with that is you're then going to take all that branding and marketing and advertising and then associate it with a particular type or class of real estate, whether you want to be a commercial agent, industrial agent, lots, new construction, you want to focus on a specific subdivision or area of town, or whatever it is, or style of home, whether it's two-story, duplex, triplex, townhome, whatever it is. You want to sit there and you want to specialize. You want to become a specialist in a specific area. Now, a lot of people get scared of this because they want to sit there and do every deal, but next thing you know, they're doing all these things, but they specialize in nothing. They're a generalist. What you need to do is you need to specialize in something. Don't feel that it's going to isolate you. Just view it as more focused. You're going to go deep instead of wide. So what I'd recommend you do is look at the deals that you've done over the past year or 2 years and see which one you've really enjoyed. See which one just given you the most headache, or the ones that you like a challenge to. You're going to look inside for the direction that you should go and not just do what you think you should. You're going to sit back and see who you naturally connected with, what you naturally had a passion for, what style of real estate actually excited you. You want to go towards the excitement and step away from the things that bore you. If investment properties excite you and single family homes bore you, then go lean towards more investment. And the opposite is true. If you hate investments or lots or land, but you love working with people that are buying and selling homes because they're first time home buyers, or they're relocating, or it's a second investment, those are things that only you can answer, not someone else. You want to go towards the direction in which you actually enjoy working and that you can see yourself doing this for the next 2, 3, 4, 5 years. Now, don't feel that you're going to pigeonhole yourself and lock it in. You're going to do this for the rest of your career. Business is just like anything. It's constantly adapting. You can sit there just like we did before. You can set a plan of action. You can say, okay, for the next 6 months or for the next 12 months, because you got to be realistic. The next 12 months, I'm going to focus so much effort and energy on this one specific area, whatever it is. And then you're going to learn every single thing about that specific area or that specific style of property. You're going to learn who the builders are, the styles, every little aspect of it, the best price to get it, the best ways to negotiate it. You're going to learn every single thing about it, and you're going to become an expert in it. So the way that you're going to then do that is you're then going to be putting out content to the public talking about this specific item that you're interested in, talking about every newest listing that come available that is associated with your favorite interest that you are now focused in. That's how you become a specialist. You are going to be the go-to person for this specific type of real estate, and you're going to become an expert in that, and people are going to seek you out because they know that you can handle that type of real estate. So that's how you go from a generalist to a specialist, and you take your branding and then you specifically become an expert into something that's going to help you explode your business, because people are only going to think of you and your name when it comes to this specific type of real estate in your area.